Hey, what's going on, guys? We're coming at you live today from our property out here in Live Oak. This property is located at 6708 Riverwood out in Live Oak, and it's listed for exactly $345,000. So I'm out here, we have an open house, and I want to give you guys a tour. You guys know my name is Hector Hernandez, Hector the Connector, and I'm here to help you guys understand real estate and help you make real estate decisions. So as you walk in, we'll get this beautiful floor tiled. They remove the carpet throughout the whole house. They renew all the fixtures, and they made a separation here between whether it be the dining room, living area, and the living room here. The master room is towards the back. As you guys can see, the back door is open. Really open floor plan. It lets you flow right through as the visitors come in. Straight connection to the back door. But let's go ahead and look at the guest room before we go at the masters in the backyard. To the left, we have a hallway with 2 extra bedrooms. Again, it's a two bath. Right, the bedrooms were also updated with tile, and the fixtures, they all have 9-foot ceilings. Our bathroom light, sorry, light went out. Our bathroom light here is it works, as you guys can see. And we have a room which is a little bit smaller here towards the front of the house. Right, they all have closets. On the left here, you will find the laundry room. I couldn't find the light switch, but you'll find the laundry room and the AC closets there, a coat closet, and then here's our 3rd bedroom. You guys can see, fair size. Then here we have a beautiful kitchen with 2 pantries. You will see here we have 2 pantries available. There's 1, and there's 2. And you guys will see we have beautiful 42-inch cabinets. Large, beautiful cabinets with large backsplash all throughout the kitchen. Updated fixtures. Beautiful creative piping for shelving ideas. Feel free to take that one with you. And this is our master bath. Room's fairly good size, 12 feet. Only 1 sink, toilet, beautiful shower, updated as well with the floor, and a walk-in closet. All right, before we finish up this tour, let me go ahead and show you the back of this house. Beautiful patio. What they did in 2020, they added solar panels, they added a new AC system on the roof, and they added this concrete out here with a roof. Let me get to one corner. I'll show you guys in the backyard. You can see it's at an angle, but they made it really livable. All right, here we are. Let's go down this way. What I wanted to show you guys is how they were able to wrap this concrete around all the way around the house. All right, for all your real estate needs, questions, or answers, I got them. Thank you.